Okay, now state your full name.
Austin Fujimoto.
Okay. Now, am I paying you for this?
You're not.
You wish I was.
I wish you were.
So you just went on My Fisher Traction.
Yes.
And what happened? How'd you feel?
It was, first of all, it took the pain right away. Within the first 5-10 minutes, I felt relief, immediate, from going in here, discomfort to immediate relief's amazing. Coming off it, I asked him, like, hey, is this normal? And he explained it to me. And the fact that I felt that quick of results is pretty absurd. It's awesome. It's awesome in a good way.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, man. Oh, relief already at that quick is pretty
amazing.
I'd say that's a success. Yeah.
And your low back pain.
Low back pain's very tight all the time.
When you came in, on a scale of 1 to 10, what were you?
High 8, 9.
And what are you now?
Like a 6.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome, dude.
I appreciate it.
Thanks, man. Good. That's it.